Hi, how are you doing? Today's patient is a Samsung Q70R television. Samsung QLED. This one doesn't have a screen issue, or at the moment is not that the problem. It's won't turn on. Once we open it, we can check what's going on. We add a little power, see if we have standby light. No. Alright, we're gonna disconnect the main board. And still nothing. We're gonna disconnect the inverter board. Now it just should turn on the backlight, but it's still nothing. Let's take a quick look. Alright, main capacitors are good, fuse are good. And after a quick check, we can see is no voltage at all on the low voltage side, and I don't want to bother with the high voltage side, be honest. I quickly checked, and this power supply is only cost 40 quid, so it's not worth to get through all the checks. To remove the power supply, you have no screws, you just have to lift off a tiny bit and get it out. Sometimes it's easy, but sometimes it's very hard. If it's not working, just try to push it back into original position and use more force. It's gonna come off. Now the installation is much easier. You just put it in the right place, one click, and it's all done. Let's turn it on and see if it's working. This is a better angle. Let's see. Yes, it is working. Alright, we will run a few more tests to make sure everything is alright, but we can give back to the customer after that. Thank you for watching. This was South London repair video. Please subscribe, and if you're interested, we have a longer version from this video. Bye.